In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Figma. If you've ever gone looking for a traditional folder button in Figma and couldn't find it, you're not alone. Figma doesn't use classic folders and subfolders. Instead, it organizes everything with a simple hierarchy: teams at the top, projects inside those teams, and files inside the projects. Think of a project as a folder-like container that groups related design files together. Here's how to use that system to keep your work tidy. Start in the Figma file browser and choose the team where you want your work to live. That's the space that holds your projects. In the top right, click the button to create a new project. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something like Mobile App or Website UI, so it's obvious what belongs inside. Then confirm to create the project. From here, you can move any existing files into that space. Just right-click a file, choose Move File, and select the project you just made. You can repeat that for as many files as you need, and you can move a file into any project where you have edit access. This action relocates the file rather than duplicating it, so you're reducing clutter while keeping your source of truth in one place. A quick but important note: projects don't contain subfolders. The hierarchy stops at projects for grouping. If you're used to nesting folders deeply, think of projects as the top-level buckets. Create separate projects for each major area of work rather than trying to nest them. Clear project names and consistent patterns go a long way in keeping everything findable. Now, let's talk about drafts. Drafts is your personal workspace. It's a flat list, and it doesn't support folders. If your drafts area is getting crowded and you want more structure, the solution is to move beyond drafts. Create a team, even if it's just for your own work, and then create projects inside that team to act like folders. After that, move your files from drafts into those projects using the same right-click Move File flow. This gives you the same organized experience you'd expect from folders, but aligned with how Figma is designed to work. To recap, use projects as your folder substitutes, keep names meaningful, and move files into the right project so everything stays organized. With this approach, you'll navigate your Figma workspace faster, reduce confusion, and keep your design files exactly where they belong.